This food is terrible. Why are we eating here?
How dare you say that to me? This place has 5 stars. It is a fine dining place.
Whatever. Can you please hurry up? So that I can drop you off at your ratty old house. My mom is waiting for me. I have to rub her feet with mayo. You see, she has bad feet. She has a lot of pimples and zits on them, and they are swollen. I'm her only son, so I have to help her.
That's gross. I'm eating here. You have serious problems.
I'm sorry. It's just that my goldfish Swimmy just died, and I'm really sad about it. You see, I didn't want to just throw him out, or dump him in the toilet. So I ate him.
There's something really wrong with you. I'm leaving now. Bye.
No. Please don't go. My mom will pay you as much as you want if you just stay until I finish eating. Is 500 a good price?
Make it 1,000 and we have a deal.
Okay, but you have to promise to help rub my mom's feet.